the problem with flood control is the corruption. The project is not bad. Di ba? It's the corruption that's bad. It cannot, with all due respect to my colleague, the solution is not that simple, di ba? So we have to stop the corruption, not the project. Kasi baliktarin natin yung situation. Ha? Ito, isipin lang natin. Kung nagkataon na ang may corruption is yung school building, ang ibig mo bang sabihin, wag na magpatayo ng school building at ilipat lahat sa flood control?
Pero isang bright boy sa house na sabi, yung mga flood control projects, ilagay na lang sa education, sa school building
Hindi,
program.
yung mga sinasabi ko, the problem is the corruption, not the project. So, kaya nga binaligtad ko, kung sakaling natuklasan natin, of course, it is hypothetical, na ang school building ang may corruption. Ibig bang sabihin, wag na tayo magpatayo ng school building. Di ba? So, it's not the project that is the problem. The problem is the corruption. So, let us stop the corruption doon sa flood control. Hindi na sa flood control projects, let us stop the corruption. But first of all, let us be transparent with the budget process. Because if we demand transparency doon sa mga gumagastos ng pera, we have to demand transparency doon sa nagpopondo ng proyekto.